Good morning, guys. I got the time wrong. I do apologize. So I got family here still, but I am short on the NQ, as you guys in the trading room already know. So you can see, oh man. So yeah, I'm already short. I've taken some off, but I want to try and ride these down as much as I can. We'll do the breakdown, but yeah, short, as you all know, on the overnight session. And we'll see. Had a bit of a reaction, but nothing too crazy. So I think 950s is my stop on most of these. But I'm just going to do this quick breakdown. Haven't really got the confirmation just yet. I really wanted to see the lows get taken out on the overnight before the market open. Yeah, we're back up to what, 900. So my average on some of these are 915s, 880s, 910s, 916s, 880s, and 890s. So probably overall, I'm probably short from like 900s, which is pretty much where we are. So you haven't really missed anything for the whole overnight session, in all honesty. So all I'm really looking at, those in the trading room already kind of know the bias is obviously still long on the daily. It's just very hard to catch something when we are trading in such sort of premium, i.e. above those 50s and 62s on the higher time frame. So all I'm really looking at this morning, and again, bias is still bullish, but the only thing I would be looking for a long would be to see if we can take out what I'm expecting to come down to, which is taking out the overnight lows at 3:30, and ideally coming down to anywhere around 850s to 830s. So only really a 20-point difference or area, and then I think we do get a pop higher. Now, if we just get that pop higher from where we are now, then as I said on Wednesday, there probably just isn't really much for me to do until I have a further look. But yeah, all I really see for now is coming back down. And I think if we put the indicators on, I don't know why they're not on the 5. Here we go. So this will be the RTH mid from what would be Wednesday. Am I getting my days right? Today is Friday. Yeah. So it would be Wednesday. So that's all I really have for today. So it's going to be a small breakdown. Again, my stops on these shorts are 936s and 950s. I've already taken some off, so it's probably going to just be maybe 1 R down, but nothing too crazy. I think if I was going to get that move down into what would be 840s, the risk to reward was just really nice because most of my shorts were at 900s and I was going for a 60 points, risking anywhere between 20 and 40. So what I'll do for anyone that's watching this on YouTube, we'll go live onto Whoop on the trading room, and then I'm just going to jump, put the camera off, and I'll just maintain this position. My mum's going in about half an hour or so. So once obviously family's gone and whatnot, I'll jump back in. But yeah, full transparency, short on most of my accounts. It's just the way I didn't really want to be short on every single account. I'm trying to do 25% max, but some of them had such good entries. I just thought the risk to reward was too good not to take. And even if I got stopped on it, I was happy with the risk. So, and again, most of those are evaluation accounts. There's only a handful that are funded accounts. Most of the funded ones like Take Profit, Funding Ticks, and Funded Next, I haven't traded. Only the evaluations. Apex has, but Apex is literally $36. So there's just not much risk for me on that. So yeah, take it with a pinch of salt in terms of, what I'm expecting. And of course it is Boxing Day. So, day after Christmas. So not really expecting, full trading action that we normally get. But if we can obviously get something, I'll take it. But low expectations, capital preservation. It is Friday. So again, I've accepted risk on this and I'm probably going to be down overall probably 1R, which is like less than $150 per account for me, which as you know, one trade gets that back. So I'm happy with that. If you can't afford the risk, please do not take the trade. Again, risking 930s to 950s expectations. I'll play both sides. So I will play the short down, which I wouldn't normally do. With this kind of setup, I would normally wait for the short to trade, but we had traded short extensions, and those can be seen on a smaller time frame. So you can see we had some extensions here, which went all the way to the 62. We broke out of those, and then we did subsequently trade another extension here, traded the full 62 again. So we have had 2 short completions that have worked, but they've been basically taken out on both of those occasions straight after. So lower expectations, but I'm sticking with the short because I think it's still valid. I think if you break above the 4-hour high, then it becomes invalidated, and that's where my risk is. If there's any other questions, let me know in the trading room. We'll go over to Whoop now, and I'll go live, and then we will be back to normal on Monday. So yeah, I'll see everyone on YouTube tomorrow. See everyone on YouTube on Monday, and everyone on Whoop, we will go